Alright guys, so I'm going to be going over this spreadsheet right now with you guys. This one right there, okay? Just so we can all be caught up, not just the people in the premium group. You guys get to see the whole action, like the whole 9 yards in the premium group, but I think it's also important for the public to also know that we're on the same page and that I also care about you guys as well, okay? So here, we're bearish. We're unsure of the wave. The RSI is in neutral range, but it's downtrending consistently. And I'm talking about downtrending from like neutral range, like here is 50, right, on the daily and the 2 day, but we're downtrending consistently. And we're inching towards this particular, where was it again? The 12 hour, what, $10,400 support range, okay? Right there, 10,400 support, the 12 hour 200, sorry, 10,400 at the 12 hour 200 EMA. We may have a small rally, but overall, I expect further corrections. The support is solid around that particular range. And then for Ethereum, we're seeing it's bearish and it's hammering at the $370 range. Okay? And we're seeing it's hammering at that particular range simply because that's the girl that I traveled to Vancouver with, right? Or I went out there to go hang out with her with my friend Ryan in Vancouver. And then, yeah, then I flew her here for Fleetwood Mac, which was kind of cool. Haven't talked to her in a while, so sorry about that interruption there. It just kind of shocked me a little bit because I haven't talked to her in about 3 months or something. Anyways, so we're looking for support around $370 right here, right? We're finding support right here, and here is the third time, right? So there as well. That's the second time. So now we can say to ourselves, well, most likely we're going to find some support right here as well, $370 range, right? So let's just keep taking a look at the Excel spreadsheet, right? We're all down. The change is all down percentage-wise for pretty much every single coin. We're in the third wave of subwave of the third down. It's very bearish, in my personal opinion. Okay, that's what I think it is, because I think that this is making a 1, 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5 or something like that. Okay, just as an example. And then overall in the structure, this is what I'm led to believe, that this is actually a 1, that's a 2, this whole thing is a 3, and then it's a 4, and then 5. And the ABC hasn't even started yet. That's why I'm assuming it's very bearish right now, okay? And then the 1 to 8 hour is below 40, and the 8 hours plus is trending hard. So we're talking about, right? It's all below 40, 32, right? Here is now 37, right, etc. And the 8 hour, we're downtrending pretty hard. And it also goes with the MACD as well, where we're almost got to negative, but we got shot right back down right here, right? Tried to trend to the upside for a crossover, but nope, got shot down. So overall, my notes on it is it's fairly bearish to the point where I'm making it red, which is a big, big caution sign. I need 48 plus hours to perhaps find supporting value further. For Link, right, we downtrended 6%. We're consolidating. We don't know what structure we're in. We're either in ABC's complete, and we're in subwave 2 of a new rally, or WXY, and we're in the third subwave down. So that's kind of a hard one to determine, right? We don't know if this is an ABC that's completed already. Just as an example, ABC, right? Hold on, let me go back to the notes here, right? So here it's either ABC is complete, okay, or that's ABC and we're getting failed waves to the upside, right? You guys get what I'm saying there? It makes sense? Okay, I go over it a lot more in the premium video and I don't want to go over it here, but that's basically the theory behind it. It's either ABC is complete, right? And we're now in a new wave, okay? So this is ABC, this is now 1, and that's 2. So there's could be a 3 breaking outside. Or, right? Or we're in subwave 2, or it's WXY in third subwave down, right? That's 1, and that's 2, and that's a 3 coming down. Not really sure quite yet what structure we're in, so I'm going to give this guy some time. So I'm not really interested in it. It needs further observation. RSI is neutral between 40 and 60. There's no outrageously high or low RSI. MACD 1 hour and up, it's neutral, reaching the x-axis, but we're unable to determine the direction based on neutrality. Okay, and then we look at the 3 hour 200 EMA. That's kind of reaching, like throwing spaghetti at the wall a little bit as well. Okay, I've got to be honest about that. So link right there, the 3 hour 200 EMA is holding twice now, and we're finding support at about 1375. But I don't know if that's really gonna hold, right? We're talking about the 3 hour, kind of right about here. So there's the 3 hour, right, with the inverted hammer candle that's kind of bullishly going to the upside right now already. So that's pretty interesting. But either way, I need more time. Okay, Omizi Go, right? We dropped 11.5. We're consolidating with a potential for a mini bull rush. Or mini bull run, I meant to say. Run for next wave up. Unassuming the wave, okay? Don't assume the wave. Right? Assume that more correction is underway. And it's the same thing as Link, where either an ABC is almost complete or WXYB is going upwards, right? And 1 hour and up, we're in neutral territory, but overall we're downtrending, okay? So Omizi Go is one of the very interesting coins right now. Super interesting coins, and I don't know exactly where I stand on it. And I'm saying that this A, B, and a C somehow already, and then we got an X, or is this A and then B and then C? Okay, so right now we're finding that we're finding a lot of hesitation. The volume is waning as well, right? And what other notes I make on it? Right, it's 1 hour and up, neutral territory for RSI. We are right. Say the 1 hour, right? We're in 41. 2 hour, we're in 40ish about. The 3 hour, we're at 44. The 4 hour, we're at 45. But we are downtrending if you look at it, right? Lower highs, lower lows. Overall, we're downtrending. And then the price action, I wrote the 4 hour hammer candle on 55 EMA. Let's see if that's even holding still. Yeah, we are holding it. That's pretty nice, actually, this doji candle. Do you guys see this? I should probably end up moving these kind of up or down now. These are nice. You can just drag these alerts. So that made a pretty decent doji candle. The 6 hour is making kind of like we can call it just a tweezer pair bottom, just of the wicks, okay? It's not an official tweezer pair, but the wicks looks pretty good to me. On the 8 hours, make a huge doji right now on the 21 EMA, right? So once again, because of all these factors, we actually have I gotta, Jesus, I gotta really get on Omizi Go soon, in my opinion, because there could be a rush, there could be a rally, and right now, if you take a look at it, this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and that could be the 5th already. So I'm waiting for perhaps a retracement down over here, right, to buy, and obviously in one of these particular regions near the golden ratio, perhaps. Yeah. Okay, so then just quickly moving on as well, right? Due to almost ABC almost complete or B of WXY is occurring, both situations implies a long soon. Monitor 2 hours for potential opportunity. So I'm gonna be sitting here for at least another 2 hours to watch this to see how it goes. And waves, it's consolidating to rallying. Somewhere between there. I'm not really sure. I'm leaning towards a rally because it dropped 10%. Waves, unsure. But neutral for our side up to 6 hours. But the 6 hours and up is downtrending, right? That makes sense. If you go to waves, you go to all of these ones, right? And it's saying that I'm saying that neutral up to 6 hours, right? It's still in the middle range there, but you go to 6 hours, you can see it more consistently getting lower highs and lower lows, especially with the histogram fake out coming down here. So in my opinion, that there is potential on it soon for this perhaps entire structure, right? That's a pretty big wave. I mean, that's huge if we just take a look at that particular wave on a lower time frame, because then right there, just I'm talking about from this particular wave only, okay? Well, if even that got up to 382, like even if it's from here to there, that's still 3-4%, or here it's 6% gain, and 6% on 20K is still $1,000 day, right? So it's all about the percentage gains to me, and there's definitely potential soon. So now on waves, I'm gonna focus specifically on price action trading on lower time frames. Okay, there's a potential to catch a rally, but the bigger picture, I still see more corrections overdue. Anyways, want to keep it 10 minutes just to catch you guys up a little bit on my thoughts, and here we are, 10 minutes exactly. Bye.